Welcome friends. The next topic is factors affecting on reactivity of the organic molecules. Let us go for a simple organic chemical transformation in which substrate is allowed to react with a reagent. As a result of this reaction, it is going to be forming the product. Now the organic molecule which is known as the substrate can have any varieties of chemical combination. That chemical combination may consisting of unsaturations, may have saturations, and saturations followed by electron deficient atoms, saturations followed by valency electron precise atoms, saturation followed by valency electron lone pairs, that is excess atoms can also be present, spare atoms containing atoms can also present. Thus on these particular different varieties of chemical elements consisting substrate, when reagent chooses a place where electron deficiency, electron excessness, that is polarity is more. Whichever bond is consisting polarity, that particular bond is getting affected by the reagent. So the polar bond is formed in many number of ways, many varieties of ways. Maybe atom having of lower electronegativity as well as higher electronegativities. Atom having of electron deficiency, atom having of lone pair of electrons with the octet configuration. Thus many combinations, many varieties are possible to offer either excess electron density or the lower electron density, to offer either positive charge, to offer ever partial negative charges. Thus organic molecule consisting of polar portions where electron density differences are there, then the expected exact values of the electron densities for a normal molecule, if it deviates from the system, that particular portion of the molecule is said to be polar part. Polar part may have deficiency and the excessness. Polar part may have lone pair of electrons. Polar part may have unsaturations. Thus these particular portions where electron deficiency and electron excessness, where partial positive charge, partial negative charge, where lone pair of electrons, where electron deficiency, where pi bonds, where more than one pi bonds, where conjugation, wherever extended conjugation, such kind of portions are getting affected by the reagent, and thus that particular parts are getting affected first by the reagents, and thus chemical transformation takes place, and as a result of this attack of the reagent over the substrate, that leads to the formation of new component that is said to be what? Product. Now if we list the reasons for the polarity that is present at a particular part of the given bigger organic molecule, polarity can be caused in many number of ways. Let us have a small list related to the causing entities for the polarity, either to have excess electron density or to have deficiency in electron density, with a list. Yes, the list related to the excess polarity associated systems, that is unsaturations present in the organic molecule, may present between any variety of atoms, may be present between the same varieties of atoms, like double bond presence, triple bond presence, and electron deficient atoms like, yes, the valency, all electrons are participated in chemical combination, but it is not having octet configuration like these systems. And electron precise, valence electrons are participated by having octet, but it is associated with the lone pair of electrons like such kind of atoms. And more electronegative atoms involved in chemical combination, less electronegative atoms like the first A group elements and second A group elements, etc. Groups with the multiple bonds associated with different electronegativities like carbonyl groups like aldehydes, ketones, similarly carbon and the nitrogen combinations. Like these things will offer polarity to the connectivities, polarity to the bonds, and that particular portions will become very effective or very active towards the reagent and chemically reacts with the reagent, and that leads to the transformation of the substrate from the starting material to the product material. Thus the effect that is present and the corresponding all other effects that are influencing the reactivity nature of the starting materials, otherwise organic molecules, when they are participating in the chemical reaction. Let us have a discussion. And in some cases, molecules are getting the functional groups, otherwise the various chemical combinations present in the molecule can also be getting affected by the foreign substances like Lewis acids, added Lewis acids, as well as the Lewis bases, etc. There also what happens is electron readjustment will take place. As a result, polarity differences will occur as a result of excess polarity differences or extreme polarity differences. It involves in transformations. Thus here we are interested to discuss the factors those are affecting on the reactivity of the organic molecule, the basic reaction sites and the charge present on the basic reaction sites, and the charge decreasing conditions, polarity decreasing conditions, polarity enhancing conditions, their stabilities as a result of the polarity, how it will participates in chemical transformation, under which conditions the polarity difference is maximum, polarity difference is minimum. That a discussion is the factors affecting on the reactivity of the organic molecules when they involved in transformations, otherwise change in the chemical reactions. Yes, the organic molecules, for the discussion for the different varieties of effects over the reactivity of the different varieties of organic molecules are required for the discussion. Now we will discuss organic molecules in different ways. Yes, certain organic molecules just having only sigma bonds, there is no pi bond, there is no unsaturation, there is no double bond, there is no triple bond. Whatever atoms are there, whatever elements are there, those of all elements are just connected by the sigma bonds. In that case, what it will be, to what an extent that effect is present. And second, the reaction site is with the multiple bonds. Whatever the expected polar portion, the active subunit of the organic molecule is having multiple bonds, and that is eligible for the chemical transformation, suppose. Then which particular other things will influence the active site while it is participating in the chemical transformation, on behalf of that one effect. And extended conjugations are there, alternate to double bonds are there, thus extended conjugation is there. Due to that extended conjugation, in association at the end with the either positive charge or negative charge or a radical or with a lone pair of electron containing system, how it is going to be affected while it is participating in chemical transformations. And there are certain compounds which are possible to exhibit more than one Lewis structures. We can't write a single structure for them, such kind of components, but whereas practical structure is different, such kind of organic compounds and how they are going to be affected if they participate in chemical transformation. Similarly, the crowded substitutions if present over the system. Hyperconjugation, a special case, that is double bond system connected with the carbon associated with the hydrogens. Similarly, hydrogen bond ability containing systems are there. Then how that hydrogen bond nature will influence the properties, physical properties, chemical properties, reactivity properties especially, and the aromatic character containing system, otherwise near to aromatic character containing system, if they participate, something was broken, as a result may become aromatic, may become antiaromatic, may become non-aromatic. As a result, how it will affect the stability, how it will affect the physical properties, how it will affect the reactivity of the species when it is involved in transformation. And the last case, that is molecular forces of attraction, a normal case. Then how many varieties of molecular force of attractions are there on different things, and how it will affect the physical properties and the chemical properties. Thus, these are the things we have to look for an organic molecule under different categories. Then we have to study individually the molecule under each category while the chemical transformation takes place. Then we have to justify, we have to give the specifications for the molecule, whether it belongs to the category 1, category 2, category 3. If it is having more than one effects, then the domination has to be taken into consideration. Sometimes one effect will enhances the effect with the other, one effect will opposite the nature of the other effect. Thereby we have to decide which is going to be dominating, which is not going to be dominating. Thereby, on behalf of an average information related to the effect of polar subunits present in the organic molecule of these of any varieties of types, chemical reactivity is decided on behalf of the intermediates and their stabilities. based on their physical properties and based on their chemical properties, especially reactivity is going to be decided. Now we will go for the discussion of case by case and the names related to the effects and how the effect is going to be influenced by the other things associated with the system. The first one is the only sigma bonds containing organic molecule. I am choosing an organic molecule. In that I am expecting just only sigma bonds are there, whereas some groups may consisting of different other multiple bonds containing system. That is not issue. Whatever I am considering, that effect is, yes, sigma bonds containing systems are there. Carbon and carbon connectivities are just present with the non-multiple bonds, sigma bonds. Then in that case, how the charge dispersion occurs, which particular element is responsible for the occurring of the charge dispersion. As a result, how it will affect, under which conditions the dispersion becomes bigger, under which conditions the dispersion becomes smaller. Then as a result of that one, what will happen to the reactivity of different varieties of functional groups containing organic molecules, like individually what will happen, then which will become more acidic, which will become more reactive, which will become more stable, which will be having higher physical properties, higher gradient physical properties. These are all things in detail we will discuss. The first topic of discussion is only sigma bond containing organic molecules connected with some groups. Then as a result, then how the charge transfer will occur, what is that effect, and to what an extent it is going to be present, what is the name of that one, have a discussion. Yes, the name of the effect is inductive effect. It is also known as influencing effect. Whereas it is possible in saturated organic molecules having groups, or the group may have unsaturations in them also. That is hydrocarbon portion which is connected with a group or atom. If it is atom, there is no issue. If it is group, that group may consisting of unsaturations and any other combination also. Thus we will take saturated hydrocarbon as reference and remaining thing as a subunit over it, that as a group. Thus saturated hydrocarbons associated with either different atom or atoms or collection of atom, that is group or groups, which shows a special effect and which influences the other adjacent atoms. Yes, that effect whichever is generated at some particular spot, it can't remains there. It also influences, propagates from one end to the certain extent to the all possible sites in such a way that it can also influences, it can also offers its effect to the adjacent atoms. Adjacent atoms are also getting affected, influenced by the spot where this effect is generated. Such an influencing effect is said to be what? Inductive effect. That is, saturated hydrocarbons associated with either different atom or atoms or groups shows a special effect and which influences the nearby other adjacent atoms in the straight chain is known as inductive effect. Now let us discuss what is inductive effect first. Yes, this thing is happening. Then what is meant by inductive effect? How it is going to be generated? How it is going to be influencing the others? What is its nature and in how many ways it is segregated? Have a discussion. Yes, let us take an organic molecule which is a saturated hydrocarbon, whereas it doesn't have any kind of unsaturations, like multiple bonds are not present, and it is connected with the group at some end or at the middle. Whereas this group can be an atom, this group can be collection of atoms, may it is having all saturations or unsaturations, no issue. For this particular hydrocarbon portion which is of saturated, due to this particular group, how it is going to be affected. In the beginning, how it is there, after this group is connected in the place of hydrogen, then how it is going to be influencing the polarities, how it is going to be changing, how it is helpful to differentiate the changes, or how it is responsible for the changes occurring on with respect to the polarity on this organic molecule is discussed under inductive effect, and that is a propagating effect, hence it is said to be what? Inductive effect. If I write the zigzag normal structure, here this is the structure. Now here I am expecting the group. If it is not the group, it is hydrogen. Yes, if it is hydrogen, all are carbons and the hydrogens, the normal hydrocarbon combination. whereas carbon and carbon connected by the sigma bonds. Hydrogen and hydrogen connectivity is not present. Carbon and hydrogen connectivity is there, but here I am taking carbon hydrogen connectivity as the reference. Instead of carbon and the hydrogen, one of the hydrogen in this molecule is replaced by the group. Due to this, there is a change. Then how it is going to be changing is my topic of discussion. If it is hydrogen, then what happens? Carbon and hydrogen bond is having little polarity difference. Carbon is having somewhat more electronegativity compared to the hydrogen, but that particular effect is not considered as a drastic change in the polarity, so therefore that we will feel it is a normal case in case of hydrocarbons and the organic molecules. Now here in this case, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by the group. Due to this replacement, yes, that group may become more electronegative atom, or that atom may become more electronegative atom. As a whole, what happens is this sigma bond electron density of the carbon and the group is not present as it is. If it is hydrogen, how it has to be present? In the same way, the carbon and the group related sharing of electron density in the form of sigma bond is not present. It can be present in two varieties of ways. Whereas whatever may be the way, maybe group is more electronegative, maybe group is less electronegative, no issue. Here what happens is, due to this replacement of group by the replacement of the hydrogen by this group, here electronegativity differences will develop. As a result of that developed electronegativity differences, if I feel case number 1, here I am writing in the box. If suppose group is more electronegative, then it offers partial negative charge. The sigma bond electron density is somewhat shifted in favor of the group. As a result, the directly connected carbon atom is having partial positive charge. This partial positive charge is reference with respect to what? CH. If I feel if it is CH, I am not considering that difference as a difference. But if I feel that is not the CH, that is a group, due to replacement of group in the place of hydrogen, here extra I am getting the charges, as group is getting some partial amount of negative charge, whereas this carbon is getting partial amount of positive charge. That is, the sigma bond electron density is shifted towards the group, whereas the carbon and the group sigma bond electron density is not present at its ideal position. It is shifted more close towards the group. As a result, carbon is feeling less electron deficiency than the expected situation of having 50% of share. As a result, it feels electron deficiency. That electron deficiency is represented by writing positive charge, and that is not the complete deficiency. Though that is present in the valency shell, it is not present as of that is present if it is hydrogen. Hence, we feel that it is having little deficiency, that we wrote it as dou positive. If it is dou positive, this particular portion was over. Extra now it is feeling deficiency. In order to compensate the deficiency associated with the carbon here, the adjacent carbon atom once again donates some of its electron possible density towards this deficient carbon atom. After its donation, now the fate of the second carbon atom is, it is having little deficiency and it is having less deficiency compared to the first carbon atom. Similarly, by looking at this also felt unhappy and it also donates its shared pair of electron density somewhat close towards the deficient atom. Now it is having very little deficiency. After that, we won't find any kind of deficiencies. Thus, if it is C and H, I felt this H and carbon normal, there won't be measurable amount of significant amount of electronegativity differences, hence I felt it is 0, it is 0, it is 0, it is 0. But due to replacement of hydrogen by the group, this group is, if I felt it is more electronegative case 1, as a result, the net deficiency felt by the first carbon atom, the net deficiency felt by the second carbon atom, net deficiency felt by the adjacent other third carbon atom, and like this it is present. Thus, first of all, it is generated at the carbon connectivity with the group, and it is influencing the adjacent connected atoms in the chain to participate in the program of deficiency generation to nullify the different deficiency generated at the directly connected active carbon atom. The remaining all other carbon atoms are also contributing some of their possible little amount of electron density in favor of the deficient carbon atom. Thus, it is feeling most electron deficiency. least electron deficiency, and it becomes insignificant. Such an effect which is generated at one spot is propagated from one location to other location is said to be what? Inductive effect. And it is also can be present in another way. Suppose if my group is not electronegative, carbon is more electronegative for me, then what happens? Carbon will get higher electron density. This electron density is not just present on the carbon. Compared to this higher electron density associated carbon, if I take as reference, this is not having such kind of electronegativity, such kind of electron density is not there. It pushes some of its electron density to the next carbon, so therefore it is having, compared to the original situation, some amount of excess electron density, and it is having very little amount of electron densities. Like this, if I felt here it is having 10 rupees worth, here it is having 1 rupee worth, it is having 10 paisas worth. Like that, this effect is present and it is nullified after the third carbon atom and the fourth carbon atom. Thus, the effect generated at one place in the saturated hydrocarbons connected with the group is propagated from one location to the other location through connectivity is said to be what? Inductive effect. Inductive effect. Inductive effect is the effect generated in saturated hydrocarbons connected with atom, heteroatom, otherwise different atom or atoms or groups which may have saturation or the unsaturation, and the generated differences in electronegativities at the active carbon atom are not just restored over the carbon, and it is propagated in chain in all possible directions through the connectivities to certain extent. That is known as what? Influencing. That is influencing the adjacent carbon atoms, and that effect is known as inductive effect, and it is possible in the organic molecules are having sigma bonds, whereas we are not considering the group. Except the group, the remaining organic moiety should have sigma bonds. Wherever sigma bonds are there, only sigma bonds are there. In that only we can consider this particular effect, and this effect is known as inductive effect. Some more features related to the inductive effect. Yes, features related to the inductive effect. Though we looked at the inductive effect here, yes, how the features related to the inductive effect are there. And here the sigma bonded electrons are participated, and it is eligible for the organic molecules consisting of saturated hydrocarbon nature, that is sigma bonds. Only sigma bonded electrons related count is present. Hence sigma bonded electrons are expected, are originally responsible for the inductive effect. Hence sigma electron pair is participated, and it is slightly shifted towards more electronegative atom, otherwise more electron deficient atom. As a result, here what happens is we can't feel that shift is not the complete shift, that is a partial shift. How the electron pair is shifted? Slightly shifted. The meaning of slightly is partially shifted, slightly shifted, partially shifted. As a result, here what happens is it doesn't left from the valency orbit. It is associated with the atom having higher electronegativity as well as lower electronegativity for the count purpose. And it is a permanent effect. Though some other thing is present nearer to this, some reagent is coming nearer to this, it doesn't influence the things. On its own, every molecule is having such a small dispersion of the charges, hence it is a permanent effect. And that effect wherever is generated between the group as well as the atom, that is not constant at that location. It is propagated from that particular portion to the other nearby adjacent atoms in all possible connected directions. And due to this particular propagation, it ends up to third carbon atom and the fourth carbon atom, then after it is insignificant. And due to this partial shifting of the sigma bonded, permanent partial shifting of the sigma bonded electron pairs, the polarity differences occurs. Slight gradation in polarity happens for the atoms. As a result, molecule polarity changes. As a result of change in polarity of the molecule, the changed polarities will affect the physical properties like dipole moment, solubility, melting point, boiling points, and reactivity of the molecule can also be affected. And the reference taken for the inductive effect is C and H bond. And here we are considering C and G, that is group, otherwise the heteroatom. So therefore hydrogen is taken as reference. If it is CH, we can't feel any kind of net dipole moment. And here if the H is replaced by the group, now the generated effect is taken into account as inductive effect, hence CH bond, otherwise H is taken as reference to measure the inductive effect, to consider the inductive effect. On behalf of H as consideration, the types of inductive effects are of two types. Whereas certain groups are more electronegative compared to hydrogen, they will drags the electron density like this. Group is having partial negative charge and remaining straight chain is having the partial higher partial positive charge, lower and very lower partial positive charge. Case number 2, if the group is having less electronegativity compared to the carbon, group is having partial positive charge, whereas connected carbon is having negative charge, very less negative charge, and the least negative charges are continued and it becomes vanished. Like this, by taking hydrogen as the reference, inductive effect is divided into two categories. This an effect where group is dragging electron density compared to the hydrogen, those of all are said to be what? Negative inductive effect groups. And those groups which are donating electron density to the chain of the saturated hydrocarbon are said to be positive inductive effect groups. Yes, originally that is a group, we are not expecting any charge, but after connectivity it is getting extra amount of negative charge by gaining of electron density. That is, extra electron density implies what? They are having negative charge. Hence such of all groups are said to be negative inductive effect groups. And the reverse of those groups, vice versa of those groups which are pushing the sigma bond electron density away from them towards the straight chain present in the organic molecules, are said to be positive inductive effect groups. Types of inductive effects on behalf of nature of the group, the withdrawing ability of the group of that CH and the group electronegativity differences basis. Suppose if that group is having more electron withdrawing ability, so the normal group is neutral. Now the group after gaining that electron density is converted as partial negative charge containing group. The more the partial negative charge, the higher the minus inductive effect group, because negative charge is negative inductive effect. We are saying that is possible if it is more electron withdrawing. More electron withdrawing ability is present for, this is the leftover valency with the chain, and this is nitrogen. Nitrogen is having 3 connectivities followed by what? Another connectivity is present with the straight chain, thus it is having 1 unit of partial charge, that is quaternary nitronium ions. They are having higher negative inductive effect. Then after nitro group, cyano group, sulfonic acid, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, followed by alkoxy group, alcohol group, NH2 group, and the phenyl group is having little minus inductive effect group. Then after hydrogen will comes into existence. Hydrogen is neutral, whereas the electron donation ability, this electron pushing ability is present for the alkyls. Those of all are tertiary alkyl, secondary alkyl, primary is having little. Then after hydrogen comes, whereas in the hydrogens if isotopes are there, this is tritium, this is deuterium, and the least is present for the hydrogen. Whereas this is highest positive inductive effect, this is highest negative inductive effect group. Suppose in case of tertiary alkyl groups, yes, this is simple tertiary, whereas this connectivity is connectivity with respect to the chain, whereas this is more substituted. Suppose tertiary followed by all are ethyls, tertiary followed by all are propyls, more branches, that is more positive inductive effect. This is simple tertiary, this is having in tertiary least positive inductive effect. This is secondary, whereas this connectivity with respect to the chain present in the organic molecule, whereas here the more the substitutions, higher the positive inductive effect. The simple secondary, that is 2 methyls isopropyl group is there, so therefore this is having least. Similarly in the case of primary also, a lengthy chain of 4 carbon atoms, butyl, propyl, ethyl, methyl is having least. Thus inductive effect is present on behalf of net electronegativity of the group active atom connected with the carbon present in the straight hydrocarbon. If it is more electronegative, more withdrawing ability is there, it can attain more electron density, and more electronegative, as being it is more electronegative, it attains more negative charge, that is more minus inductive effect group, and these of all are more positive inductive effect groups. In the next, we will discuss the factors influencing on the inductive effect and the Influence of the inductive effect over the properties of the organic molecules.